You know, gang, 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 gang.
Yeah, so
Yo, YouTube. It's your boy Hootie back with another video. Before we get into the video, make sure I hit that like and subscribe. You know what I mean? Y'all see the bike right here? Yes, sir. Come on, man. So we got the Super Cycle bicycle with a couple suspensions, you know what I mean? Cost about 300, 200. Not that much, kind of expensive, but it's just a regular bike. I'm not gonna make a long, crazy video about it. This is my new lock that I got. Key lock. It has 7 speeds, 21 speeds, but I don't know how to. You gotta, yeah. Nah, man. This is my gloves right here. These are the gloves that I use. Yes, sir, man. You see how we coming? You see how I'm coming, man. 2021, we coming different. You heard? 2022. Woo! That's it for the video, man. Just a short video to let y'all know we back on the grind, dropping daily videos. We're not stopping, you heard? Watch what's about to happen. It's about to be a movie.
Bye-bye. See you later.